Ukraine says it has nothing to do with the reported incident, the most dramatic accusation Russia has leveled against Ukraine since sending troops to its neighbor more than 14 months ago, and said it indicated Moscow was preparing a major terrorist provocation. Ukrainian presidential advisor Mikhailo Podolyak said in comments sent to Reuters agency, Ukraine has nothing to do with the drone attacks on the Kremlin. We do not attack the Kremlin because, first of all, it does not resolve any military tasks. The powerful Speaker of the lower house of Russia's parliament, Vyacheslav Volodin, issued a statement demanding the use of weapons capable of stopping and destroying the Kiev terrorist regime. The statement from the presidential administration said fragments of the drones had been scattered on the territory of the Kremlin complex, but there were no casualties or material damage. The Russian news agency RIA Novosti said Putin had not been in the Kremlin at the time and was working on Wednesday at his Novo-Ogaryovo residence outside Moscow. The video was posted in the early hours of Wednesday on a group for residents of a neighborhood that faces the Kremlin across the Moskva River. It was picked up by the Russian media, including the Telegram channel of the military news outlet Zvezda. Victory Day is a major public holiday commemorating the defeat of Nazi Germany in World War II, and a chance for Putin to rally Russians behind what he calls his special military operation in Ukraine. Russia marks the occasion with a huge military parade on Red Square, for which seating has been already erected. The state news agency TASS said the parade, for which the Kremlin last week announced tighter security, would still go ahead. Moscow Mayor Sergei Sobyanin said earlier on Wednesday that the city had introduced an immediate ban on unauthorized drone flights. Ukraine typically declines to claim responsibility for attacks on Russia or Russian-annexed Crimea. Russia has accused Ukraine of numerous cross-border attacks since February 2022, including strikes in December on an airbase deep inside Russian territory that houses strategic bomber planes equipped to carry nuclear weapons. In February, a drone crashed in Kolomna, about 110 kilometers or 70 miles from the center of Moscow.